Hey guys, today is Saturday, May 25th, and we're just moving right along with FQS Stitch MAYnia, and I am starting the laundry series that Hands On Design has. The first one is called the Never Ending Cycle, and you get this bottom pattern, and you also get this little top pattern. So I'm going to focus on the bottom pattern for now, I think. And I went ahead and I picked colors that would match my house. So I picked Aura Floss colors because I love working with Aura Floss. And I picked 2830, 2425, 2606, 6736, 5006, and 2021. And this is how they look when they are together. They're super yummy and they're totally gonna match my house, which I always feel like that's a great thing. And then I'm gonna decide at the end if I wanna do these little, I don't know, they're like little bonus charts, if I wanna do those or not. But these are, I'm gonna make all three and I'm gonna try to frame them and put them all kind of like offset in my laundry room. So if I made a total of 6, which is like each of the 3 patterns and the bonus patterns and just did it all scattered, it was gonna look totally awesome. So let's get stitching today. So the center of the pattern says never ending, and I got a little bit done. I kind of got the box done and started the letters. The one thing that I am gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to fill those in with white, or they're not gonna pop enough. So that's gonna be an extra step, and that took me an hour and 45 minutes. So you might have seen Piggy in the chair, so he kind of distracted me a little bit, and you're gonna see some of my kids' heads because they thought they should be in the video. So there you go. I got that going. And what I did do, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you the conversion that I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna stick 100% with it, but for the 163, I used RF Floss 2830. For DMC 834, I used 2425. For 3787, I used 2606. For 3799, I used 6736. For 3849, I used 5006. And for 3865, I used 2021. So I'm basically just converting from DMC to RF Floss, and I'm doing 3 of these and hoping to keep them all together. So let's see how it goes tomorrow.